This is Seamans hut on Monday the 3rd of October. We got rained out early this morning, had one tent collapse. This is sort of the kitchen area of the hut. Look out. And this is the communal living area, which is a little bit dark at the moment because I've got a lot of stuff drying.
I'm only pretending I have phone signal.
See, this is proof for the coroner that they were still alive at this point. Now, I don't know if you can see the window up there, but you can't really see a lot through it because it's covered in snow and ice and the like. We've retreated to the hut to dry stuff and obviously get out of the weather. Little vestibule area with heaps of firewood. Frank's poor old tent drying, 20 plus year tent, succumbed to this. That's probably 60 to 80 km/h winds at the moment. Believe it or not, but 8 metres in front of me is a 3 metre tall snow pole. You just can't see it because the wind is just howling through. That's the flagstones in front of the hut there. You may be able to pick up just some of the movement. But yeah, it's pretty much complete whiteout. Where we had the tents was about 200 metres up underneath Etheridge. And once you got 20 metres away from the hut, you were lucky to see the hut. So it was bearings backwards and forwards each time. But yeah, we'll spend tonight in here and hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit more hospitable.